Crafting is one of my favorite hobbies, so when Just Art sent me this 60 dual tip acrylic marker set, I could not wait to try it out. As you can see, this comes in a beautiful plastic case, and there are all different shades of colors, a wide variety of each color. They each come in a nice tray. You've got 3 trays in all, and one of the trays is even a metallic set, which is awesome. These are so pretty. Each of these markers has a dual tip. They each have a fine tip and a brush tip. Here's a closer look at the colors. What I really like about these is that they are sun-fast, waterproof, and water-based.
Also included is a color watch sheet so that you can put your marker color in the appropriate spot and you can tell what color it is. The color of the marker is right on the bottom, and then you find the corresponding spots. I like to do a sample of the brush and the fine tip.
You can use them on glass, metal, rocks. You can use them on paper, wood, and canvas as well. So let's take a look at how it works on glass. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm going to do this little metal pot. Isn't that cute? Grow where you are planted. Let's put a little flower on there. Didn't that turn out sweet? This would be a great idea for elementary school teachers, for their kids to make their moms for Mother's Day or something. Next, I have these rocks. Let's go ahead and put a little message on it. This is a really easy idea. These are so fun to decorate, and the little fine tip end is great for dots, and they dry pretty quickly. These little rocks can even be great to pass out to your friends or just to leave around for other people to find, or maybe even place them in your own garden. I really love all the things that I can make with this marker set, and I think you will too.